It's very doable if you treat Klaviyo and Wunderkind as a standardized play and not a bespoke science project. Start by standardizing your discovery and design framework. For each client, ask where the biggest identity gaps are and which flows are underfed or underperforming. Then, consistently propose a core set of modules: browse, cart, catalog, price drop, and back in stock, with a phased rollout plan. Standardize the integration and flow wiring. Create internal rulebooks for adding Wunderkind to the client stack, mapping events into Klaviyo, and updating and QAing flows. Then, train once and reuse often. Once your team is comfortable with how Wunderkind events show up in Klaviyo and how identity and intent data affect design decisions, you can replicate this across clients with predictable effort and predictable results.